How to redeem codes in Clash Royale. The first things first, before we go into the tutorial, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the application. Just simply go to your Google Play Store or where you downloaded the app on Clash Royale, and then in here you should be able to know if your Clash Royale needs an updating because there's gonna be an update button that's gonna be visible there. Simply tap on that and it will automatically do the stuff by itself. Now just run your Clash Royale application and ensure that you're logged into your account. Now entering any voucher codes or unique codes on Clash Royale may not be available for all. And it is also a limited option for a certain period of products that you'll be purchasing. Now just head over to the shop icon in here, scroll down. So say for example, we'll try to purchase any of these option here. Now you should be able to check it in here if this item is eligible to use a code. If you would like to just randomly input a code, just go all the way down and in here just enter the code option. And that's it. That's how you redeem codes in Clash Royale.